Hi everybody, today is October 14th, 2019, 66 degrees Fahrenheit, 19 degrees Celsius, and I am at Woodbury Common Premium Outlets right now, in front of the Nike store. This is one of the largest continuous outlet centers in the world, located in Central Valley, New York. But you have many different stores here. Everything ranging from high-end brands like Tory Burch to Nike to Gap, Banana Republic. There's a lot of retailers here. I don't really know how to pronounce either, but let me see if I could flatten this map out for you so you can take a look. But this is how big this outlet center is. Has all these stores: Balenciaga, Ann Taylor, Celine, Calvin Klein, Lululemon, Nike, Breitling, Pandora Outlet, Burt's Bees. But yeah, I already did some shopping, but I'm on my way to the food court now. I did a non-narrated video earlier where I walked through this area when there weren't that many people walking around. But now it is just past 12 o'clock p.m. and this area is just flooded with shoppers now. But the sales here can be pretty deep and extreme. I've seen prices up to 70–80% off sometimes. Of course, like with any other store, you do have to make sure that whatever the price you're paying for an item is a good value. Sometimes I've heard bad reviews of this place where you would buy an item and they'll have holes in the article of clothing. So make sure you do your research before you buy something. Don't assume because it's at this outlet center that it's being discounted that you're getting something of good quality. And I don't really like to shop when it says like 70% off, 80% off, 50% off, because it distorts the prices. Find out what the total price of the item is, and if that's an affordable price for you that you think you're getting a good value for, then buy the item. That's how I look at it, because they could say, oh, it's 70% off of the original sale price, and then they'll have the sticker price down below, and then it'll get so confusing. Just give me one price. If it's a good value, then buy it. These are all just clever marketing schemes to get people to buy stuff. But some of the stores I'm passing now, Arab Style, Nautica, there's Karl Lagerfeld, Paris. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I also hope I don't get copyrighted due to the music being played in the outlet centers. That's another trick that the companies use in order to get you to buy more stuff, to have music. And like where I'm going right now, a food court, you can't shop if your stomach's hungry, that's for sure. DKNY, you see the sign there, it says take an additional 20% off. By the way I got here was I took a bus from the Port Authority bus terminal in New York City. I got a Groupon deal. It was only a $27 round trip from the Port Authority bus terminal up here. There was someone next to me who bought a round trip ticket without any discount, without any Groupon, and he paid like $67. So I got an incredible deal coming up here. This is Armani Exchange and Coach to the left. Coach is, of course, a very well-known brand. There's also the Coach men's store to the right. But yeah, this area is accessible by the tour buses. It's only an hour away from New York City. It's a very big tourist attraction for a lot of foreign visitors, mainly due to the sales tax exemption of New York State. Anything under $110 is tax exempt for clothing and shoes. There's 220 stores here according to Wikipedia and 3 anchor tenants. There's 845,000 square feet of retail space. But there's tour buses and shuttles that come here every day from New York City. I see Polo Ralph Lauren there, Starbucks, Burberry. We have ⁴ Bradley and Loft Outlet. And in terms of the economic impact of this outlet, the Orange County, which is the county that's this outlet center is located at, they refer to this area as the cash cow of the area just due to the sales tax collected. This is also a significant part of the local property tax base. Look at all these stores here. They all have to pay property tax through the outlet center. I see Jimmy Choo over there, Zimmerman. Now the downside of this area is this area can get really, really crowded during Black Friday and during the holidays. There'll be tour buses lined out for like miles outside the center just because of all the people coming here thinking they get great deals. But sometimes it's not a great deal, as I've stated before. I look at the trees here turning different colors. Sorry if I'm talking too fast because I want to do it in order to not get copyrighted. There were plans to expand the area even more, like this area can't be big enough already. This area I just walked from is just one part, one section. There's 4 different sections in this area. I believe one was like Hudson Valley, another one's called Hamptons, just to like change things up a bit. But I'm gonna go inside this market hall into the food court. I was here earlier during my non-narrated video. I wonder what kind of food options are available. I guess you'll find out with me once I go inside. Oh, look at this. There's quick eats at your service. Shake Shack, Le Pain, Kyoto Den, Sugar Fina, Melt Shop. You can read the rest. McDonald's. But yeah, very, very impressive outlet center. There's a lot of stores here. This is the food hall, the main food hall area. Wow, this place is so many places. Chipotle, Tony and Benny, South Philly, Pinkberry. There's also a guest service center here. Pret a Manger. That's the Hamptons district, as I was saying before. Basically, this food market is like in the center of all the other shopping areas. You can go to each one from here. Let me just walk out of the to the Adirondacks district, and I think I'll end this video there. But anyway, I'm glad I could show you an area where many of the locals shop in order for to get deep discounts, or what they presume to be deep discounts. I believe you can get a good deal no matter where you go. It doesn't have to be at the outlet center. Okay everyone, it's 5:12 p.m. After a long day of shopping, I'm on my way to the Banana Republic factory store. Let me tell you, there's a lot of people here now compared to the morning time when I arrived around 10 o'clock, but now there's shoppers all over the place. This is the parking lot for the main area. I think Banana Republic is this way. I have to look at a map to find out where the Banana Republic is. One of the main drawbacks of this outlet center is that it's so hard to find individual stores because it's just so big. There's over 200 stores here. Okay, I see Ralph Lauren. Adidas is over there. Or it's Ralph Lauren. I think it's Ralph Lauren, not Ralph Lauren. Let's try looking in here. I think I may have better luck if I go on this side. Let's see what this map says. May I help you find something? Yes, Banana Republic. All right, I'm not too far, so I just have to go left and then go straight. So I did have a good intuition where Banana Republic is. Sunset is just about to occur. I believe magic hour is going to start in around 15 minutes. But this outlet center is open until 9 o'clock at nighttime, I believe. Many people here bring suitcases with them because they just buy so much stuff that it's hard to bring back to the city. I personally did a lot of shopping here. I won't reveal what I bought because then you may judge me for buying some stuff. But definitely no camera equipment here.